And if you don't believe climate change still exists, talk to a firefighter.
Maximum sustained winds have been clocked at 150 miles per hour.
Good day, everyone. We have just been informed that a large section of the Gardentown Main Road is now impassable as a section of the road has collapsed. We are asking all citizens to be cautious and observant during travel. We obtained video of the collapse and urge everyone to exercise caution when driving to your destinations. The Gardentown Main Road is among several thoroughfares that were slated for repair works following heavy rainfall from adverse weather systems in recent weeks, causing billions in damage. We urge you, we repeat, we urge you to keep safe. Thank you.
Stop war on the surf, man. Charlie light post gone. All the light post.
No road, no pier, brother.
Baba, dog, go over there, man. Go down there, you know.
Atlantic hurricane season, it's so active, the record books can't keep up.
In St. Andrew, the Gardentown Road, just above Industrial Village, that is impassable. It is that area that continues to move. We managed to do some work there yesterday, but of course the hillside, more of the hillside came back down, and it is still impassable at this time. The rain continues. The instability of that embankment is proving challenging, and of course, out of an abundance of caution, we are not putting any equipment there just yet to attempt to clear that, because the area is unstable, as I said, and it continues to rain.
There, I watch Landslide. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. John Crow Tavern.
Watch that, sir.
On the move! On the move!
No, not my data. The phone full up. Oh, the phone full. Interrupted, man.
This is very urgent in Gardentown. The main road in Gardentown is gone. Look at it. The main road is gone. The main road in Gardentown is gone completely at this moment. Everything is gone. It's just a walking track they leave on the main road.
Over the next few hours, the conditions are expected to be cloudy with rainfall and isolated thunderstorms, and that's due to the bands from the tropical storm. especially across southern parishes. We have a flash flood warning in effect until 5 p.m. today, and that's especially for southern and northwestern parishes, while we have the flash flood watch in effect for all remaining parishes. There's also the small craft warning that's in effect for inshore and offshore areas of the north and south coast.
This is in the vicinity of 9 Mile Boulevard Beach Road. And this is coming from the main road. This is coming from the main road. So all of who live in Beach Road is currently trapped right now. Anybody should get sick or any emergency, a helicopter come airlift you. Nobody can move out of Beach Road right now.
No, sir. Oh, we are going yard. I saw the water go run our house. It's not stop now.
Want to be journalist Stephen Johnson at it again. Same place in Garden Town. This is our house with a landslide on it just come down. This is what's happening now. Right at Garden Town, same place in Lookout.
Garden Town Road, there is no road. The wall is gone. The road is gone. Only persons who are walking can cross, and bikes. It is completely impassable by vehicles. Only motorcycles and those who are walking can pass. Completely impassable.
Yeah. New Steve back there.
Tayo, ito naman sa Mexico ngayon.
What? I mean, still go,